If I see one more church, I'm going to go crazy. Thank you. This trip should have a one church per day
Churches aren't
policy.
But churches are an important
But
part
your
of
mother's a
Italian culture.
whore. I am going to kill someone if we keep this rate.
Word up, son.
Yeah. Okay. So, we have your baby. We will kill your baby if we see another church.
I can't pick up silence. One favorite had the hiccups from my whole history class.
You get the hiccups really easily.
I started thinking about it. I started getting them.
That's ridiculous.
But if I stop eating them, I don't get them.
You can't get hiccups by thinking about it.
I get hiccups that really bad, and they go away when I forget about it.
I make myself yawn right now.
Alex, you should probably get a glass of water.
It doesn't help.
It won't help. They're coming really often.
It's like you're gonna give birth.
I have three like running.
You don't pick up when you're gonna give birth.
I meant it's like contractions. No,
You meant how contractions.
oh my god, yes.
Oh, okay. See, it's great because Allie might start laughing at me, but then she'll just hiccup. So,
It's fine. Wait, guess what we got?
what'd you get?
Earrings.
No,
Really?
no, what
Me
happened?
too. We got matching nets.
Wow.
They're sexy. They're pills. We got them hot. I'm not taking mine out. That's like saying I look like you know what, Catherine? You can shut the fuck up. Like this makes me feel vibrating.
You're on time.
Yeah.
Impressed.
I'm always on time.
Oh yeah, that's what we do.
When have I been late?
All day and
I don't
night.
think you were.
Exactly. Take it back.
But the trip is still young.
Take it back.
No, I have
I'm a lawyer. I don't take anything back.